Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make images and photos transparent in your Word document. So let's get started. So what you want to do first, guys, is click on Insert here at the top and select Shapes from that drop-down menu here and select a shape you would like to apply, like for example, a rectangle. After that, draw the rectangle here on your document, just like that. So I'm going to draw a rectangle like this. So what you want to do after that, guys, is right-click on your rectangle, select Format Shape from that drop-down menu, and here to the right, make sure that you expand Fill here on the right-hand side in these options, and select the option Picture or Texture Fill. After that, click on Picture Source Insert here, and after that, locate the image or photo you would like to add to your document, for example, on your device. So click on that option, and after that, in the last step, adjust your images or photos transparency here to the right, for example, by moving that slider here to the right. So let me apply a transparency of 50%, just like that. And there you go. As you can see, my photo here is pretty much transparent, and you can play around with the transparency as much as you like. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.